Hello everyone, this is Shashi from Shashi Tech. Today we shall solve the MBA paper, the PGCT, which was held in 2/7/2017, means this year. We shall start with the part B. Before that, we shall see the version code D1. We shall start with the part 2 with section C. First question is, which of the following is always associated with the justice? Hypocrisy, magnanimity, legitimate, demean. With hypocrisy means bootatike, means which is not true. In magnanimity means udara, open hearted. Legitimate means ಕಾನೂನುಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿ, which means according to the law. That is the right answer. Demean means which is very small. The right answer is legitimate. Next question is, which is the best statement to achieve the success in life? The option is C. The person should be honest, sincere and hardworking. With sincerity and hardworking, what we can achieve so many things in our life. Okay. Next, let us go to the next question. These two questions I will discuss later because it needs very lengthy explanation. So let us go to the next question. That is question number 57. 1, 9, 25, 49 and dash question marks 121. What will come in the place of the question mark? Let us discuss. First one is 1, 9, 25, 49 and question mark 121. Let us see. After seeing this, what you are getting, what you are guessing. 1, 9 is the square root of 3 square. 25 is the square root of 5 square. 49 is the square root of 7 square. Then 121 is square root of 11 square. What should come here? What they have given the option is 100, 91, 81, 64. Which means 64 means 6. No, it is not 6. 81, let us guess. Oh, yes, you are right. It is 81, 9 square. 81. So the answer is 81. See, these are all odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, the answer is 81. Option D. Next question is 10, 100, 200, 310. Right here 10, 100, 200, 310. Observe this. 10, we should have to get the 100. What we should do? We should have to add 90. Then we should have to get 200. What we should do? We should have to add 100. Then we should get 310. What we should do? We should have to add 110 to the this number. 200 plus 110 gives 310. Then what they have asked is, after 310 what we should get? After 310, their option is 430, 420, 400, 410. Then after 310, after 110, we should have to add 120, 120. Adding 310 to 120, what we will get? 310 plus 120 gives 430. So the option is A, 430. Okay. Next question is 59. Find the missing character. ADG, DIN, IP, question mark. The options are U, X, W, Y. Let us see the table. ADG. See here, A A, B, C, D. It is a third letter after A. Then G, D, E, F, G. It is also third letter after D. Then next row, D, E, F, G, H, I. It is a fifth letter after D. It is a fifth letter after D. Then I, J, K, L, M, N. It is a fifth letter after I. Then I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. It is a seventh letter after I. Then what will be the seventh letter after P? Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. The answer is W. The answer is W. Option is C. Option C. Next, let us start with question number 60. Find the missing number in the table. That is, here the question marks they are given. 45320 7344 21 6445 22 and 96555. So let us solve this. To solve this, we should have to do some operation such that the rightmost column should be in the RHS, which will be the resultant. Whatever the operation you do on the leftmost columns, you should give the resultant as a rightmost column. See, 4 into first column is multiplied with the fourth column. 4 into 2, 4 to the 8. 8 minus 5 plus 3 is also 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. See, the last column 0. Then 7 4 the 28. 7 4 the 28 minus 3 plus 4 gives 7. 28 minus 7 is equal to 21. See the rightmost column 21. Then 6 5 the 6 into 5, 6 5 the 30. 30 minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 gives 22. Similarly 9 5 the 45. 45 minus 6 plus 5 11. 45 minus 11 gives 34. So our answer is 34. Option A is the correct answer. Let us come to next question, 61. Find the missing number. It is also similar to this. 4 8 20 9 3 15 6 6 question mark. The options are 16 18 12 36. See, I have told you previously that we should have to see the rightmost column such that whatever the operation you do will give the result as the rightmost column. Example, 4 8 gives 20. 9 3 gives 15. It should give 15. Then 6 should give what? To get 20, what we should do with 4 and 8? Let us do add 4 plus 8. No, it will give 12. 4 minus 8, it will give 4. We should get 20. What we should do? Let us take some number like 2 multiplied by 2. 8 to the 12. 12, what we should do? Then add with 4. It will get 8 into 2 16 plus 4 20. Yeah, right. Then 9 and 3, 9 plus 3, it will give 12. 9 minus 3 6. Let us repeat this operation. 3 to the 6. 6 plus 9 15. Am I right? 6 plus 9 15. Then multiplied by 2. Again repeat this operation for all the rows. 6 to the 12. 12 plus 6 gives 18. Am I right? 6 to the 12. 12 plus 6, 18. Whether the option is there or not, you check it. Yeah, the option is there. It is 18. Option B. Okay, am I right? Then let us come to the next question. 62. Find the odd word out from the given alternative. Swimming, sailing, diving, driving. Swimming belongs to water. Sailing also belongs to water. Diving means jumping or something else. It is also belongs to water. Then driving is not belongs to water only in this particular condition. So the correct answer is driving. Then let us come to the next question. 63. Find the odd number from the given alternative. Okay, 626, 962, 841, 109. Let us see the question number 63. Find the odd number from the given alternatives. 626, 841, 692, 962, 1090. After watching these numbers, we can say we should have to find out the square root of each number. But there is no square root for 626, but there is a square root for 625. So we need to subtract 1 from the each number. That is 626 minus 620. 626 minus 1 gives 625, where it is a 25 square. Similarly, 692 minus 1, 961, it is a 31 square. For 841, there is 29 square. But we should have to subtract 1. This is a method. For 1090 minus 1 gives 1089, which is a 33 square. But we need not to subtract 1. We are getting directly, that is 29 square. So this is a different from all three numbers, that is 626, 962, 1090. So our answer is 841. This is our answer, 841. Let us discuss the question number 64. Which one set of letters, when sequentially placed at the gaps in the given letter series, shall complete it? That is A dash BBC dash AAB dash CCA dash BBCC. So let us check. They are repeated twice. The letters are repeated twice. Here also twice, here also twice, here also twice. So let us replace the blank with the repeated letters, that is AA, BB, CC, AA, again BB, CC, AA, BB, CC. Okay, so check that. A, C, B, A. Where is the option? A, C, B, A, A, C, B, A, A, C, B. Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Now let us see the question number 65. A is the son of C. A is the son of C, and Q are the sisters to the another. C and Q are the sisters to one another. C and Q are the sisters. Z is the mother of Q. Z is the mother of Q. Obviously, the mother of C also Z. Then, if P is the son of Z, which one of the following statement is correct? Okay, first one is Q is the grandson of A. Q is the grandson of A. It is wrong. P is the maternal uncle of A. Is it? P is the maternal uncle of A. Yeah, it is a correct answer. And let us check the remaining also. P is the cousin of A. P is the cousin of A. No, it is not a cousin. Then Z is a brother of C. Z is a brother of C. No, it is wrong. It is a mother, not a brother. Okay. Then the option B is the correct answer. P is the maternal uncle of A. P is the maternal uncle of A. Option B is the correct answer. Next question is 66. The man said to lady, let M be a man, L be a lady. Man said to lady, the son of your only brother, B be a brother. Then son, yes, is the son. Son of your only brother, son, the son of your only brother is the brother of my wife. Son, brother of my wife. It is the son of your only brother, son is a brother to my wife. So, what is the lady to the man? Lady to the man, wife. Then B is the father-in-law to M means man. Then L is a sister to the father-in-law. So our option is sister of the father-in-law. It may be a mother also, but particularly sister of the mother-in-law. So the option C is the correct answer. Sister of father-in-law. Okay. Next 67. A man walks 1 kilometer to east, that is east, west, north, south. A man walks 1 kilometer to east. 1 kilometer to east. This is A, this is B. Then he returns to the south and walks 5 kilometers. Returns to the south and walks 5 kilometers. Again, he turns to the east and walks 2 kilometers. This is east. C, D, 2 kilometers. After this, he turns to the north and walks 9 kilometers. Walks 9 kilometers. This is D, E. Next, now how far E from starting point? That is, this is 2. This is the starting point. Then this is hypotenuse. This is opposite. This is adjacent. We have the formula hypotenuse, that is A square is equal to, this is a point called F, AF square plus FE square, where AF is equal to 1 kilometer plus 2 kilometers is equal to 3 square, plus FE means this is 5 kilometers, this is 9 kilometers, 9 minus 5, that is 3 square plus 4 square, gives 3 3 the 9 plus 4 4 the 16, 16 plus 9 gives 25, 25, this is A square, A is equal to square root of 25 gives 5. So our option is 5. Our option is 5 kilometers. Option C is the correct answer. 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers is the correct answer. Now let us see the question number 68. If southeast becomes north and south becomes east, northeast, and all the other directions are changed in the same manner, then what will be the direction of west? If south becomes north, south becomes north. Southeast becomes north. This southeast becomes north. Opposite to the northeast, north is south. Then and south become northeast. South become northeast. If it is northeast means obviously it will be east. It will be west. It is west. Then middle of south and west, it will be southwest. Middle of south and east, it is southeast. Then middle of north and west, it will be northwest. They asked what will be the direction for the west. What will be the direction for the west? This is what will be the direction for the west. West is equal to southeast. Then the option is southeast. Option C is the correct answer. Southeast. Southeast is the correct, and this is the correct answer. Let us come to the question number 69. Insect gives diseases and war gives question mark. Answer may be army, defeat, arsenal, destruction. The answer is D. For 69, answer is D. It is destruction. How means insect causes disease, war causes destruction. Insect results in the disease, war results in the destruction. Option D is the correct answer. Then interest, money lender, salary. Interest is given to the money lender, salary is given to the employee. You may think it is also applicable for the workers. Yes, your thinking is right, but the money given to the workers are called as, that is 70, question number 70. For workers, they are called as wages. For employees, it is called as salary. For employees, salary. Let us discuss the question number 71. In a family, there are several brothers and sisters. Every two boys have brothers as many as sisters, and each girl has two brothers less than twice as many brothers as sisters. What is the number of boys and girls? Okay, let us solve this. Let B is the number of brothers, S be the number of sisters in the family. Consider any two boys. They have told that every two boys have brothers as many as sisters. So consider any two boys. They would be having B minus 2 brothers, excluding these two boys, excluding the two boys. But this number is equal to the number of sisters they have. They have told that they have the number of brothers as many as sisters. So therefore B minus 2 is equal to S, which may be also written as B minus S is equal to 2, which will be equation 1. Each girl will have S minus 1 sisters. Each will be as S minus 1 sisters. Twice the number of sisters. They have asked, each girl has two brothers less than twice as many brothers as sisters. So 2 into S minus 1. Since each girl has twice as many as brothers, we should have to substitute this value in the place of S. That gives 2 into S minus 1 minus 2 is equal to B. That gives 2S minus 4 is equal to B. This is the equation 2. Then substitute equation 2 in the equation 1. So put this equation 2 in the equation 1. We will get 2S minus 4S is equal to 2. This will become, if we shift for this side, it will become 6. 2 minus S is equal to S. Then S is equal to 6. Then substituting S is equal to 6 in the equation 1. Again substitute in the S value here. we will get s minus 6 is equal to 2. Then b is equal to 8. That is boys is equal to 8. Brothers is equal to 8 and sisters is equal to 6. Then the answer is 8, 6. Why it is 8, 6? Why not it is 6, 8? Because they have asked number of boys and girls. Means boys means brothers. It is brothers are 8 in numbers and sisters are 6 in numbers. So 8, 6 is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Now let us discuss the scientific question. B is twice as old as A but twice younger than F. C is the half of the age of A but twice older than D. Who is the second oldest? Let us see. B is the twice old as A. B is twice old as A. Let A is equal A's age will be 10 years. Let you consider that. And B is a twice old as A, means 2 into 10, which will be 20 years old, but twice younger than F. Twice younger than F. Twice younger than F means F should be twice older than the B. Vice versa. Means F is equal to 2 into 20 or 2 into B is equal to 40 years. If F is twice younger than, if B is twice younger than F means obviously F will be twice older than B. So B is equal to 40 years. Then C is the half age of the A. C is equal to half age of the A. A divided by 2, that is 10 divided by, which will be 5. Half age of A but is twice older than D. Twice older than D. C is twice older than D means D should be 5 divided by 2. It is 2.5. 2.5 years, which means 5. D is twice old, C is twice older than C means it should be double of D is equal to C. So you have to divide 5 divided by 2, so it will use 2.5. Then A is equal to 10 years, B is equal to 20 years, C is equal to 5 years, D is equal to 2.5 years, F is equal to 40 years. Then who is the second oldest? Who is second oldest means that is B. First oldest is 40, second oldest is 20. Then option A is the correct answer. That is B. B is the second oldest. Option B is the correct answer. Here option B is the correct answer. Let us start with the question number 73. In certain code, fire is coded as a DGPC. What will be the last letter of the code word for short? Then see here, you write DGPC is derived from FIRE. It is coded as like this. In between the letters are D, E, F. H is the in between letter. Here Q is the between letter. Between 2 P and R, D is between C and E. Similarly, they have given the coded word for shoot. You think that in this manner, yes, previous letter is R, previous letter is Q. Similarly, H, the previous letter of H is G. Yes, after that, before that, F. For O, previous letter is N, previous letter is M, and T. Previous letter is S. Previous letter is R. So what they have asked? What will be the last letter of the code word for shoot? The last letter of the code word is R. Whether the given option is yes, they have given R. R is the correct answer. Then for 73, option B. R is the correct answer. Option B is correct answer. Let us see the 74. Question number 74. If my MIND becomes KGLP and ARGUE becomes YPESC, then what will DIAGRAM be in the code? Then if MIND becomes KGLP and ARGUE becomes YPESC, what will be DIAGRAM? That is diagram becomes C. Here KLM in between letter is L. Here GHLM. Similarly as previous question, PQYZ, after that A repeated in the circular manner. PQR EFG STCD. Then here D, previous letter is C. B C D. Then I, previous letter is H. Previous letter is G. Then A, previous letter is Z. That to previous letter is Z to previous letter is Y. G, that previous letter of G is E. F, previous letter of that is E. Then previous letter of R is QR, that is Q. Previous letter of Q is P. Then previous letter of A is Z. Previous letter of Z is Y. Previous letter of M is J, K, L, M, L. Previous letter of L is K. So our required solution is BGYE PYK. See whether the option is there or not. BGYE PYK. BGYE PYK. Yeah, it is there. The option is A. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. That is BGYEPK. BGYEPK is the correct answer. Then this is the last question. That is 75th question. While going on a scooter, you find someone has been hurt by your vehicle. What will you do in this situation? Try to run away from the spot immediately. Then stop your vehicle and say, I am sorry. Take him to the doctor and arrange for his medical aid. Pay compensation for injury and solve the problem. What will you do? The correct answer is take him to the doctor and arrange for his medical aid, because nothing will save his life from giving money or running away from the spot immediately and saying sorry. It will not save his life. So the correct answer is C. Answer is C. This paper consists of 2 parts and 4 sections, and we have solved the section C. In the next video, we are going to solve section A, B and D. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. If you are having any doubts, please do comment or mail to my email address.